Well, let's talk about the product, where the product is today. So it's a tremendous origin
Mm.
story. Obviously, the cost advantage is, very easy to get excited about. But you still have to meet all the performance requirements. You still, functionally, it has to do everything that kind of a traditional head end would do. So, tell us the story of how did you overcome some of the challenges of converting, these open source projects, which definitely did not have all the features needed by a broadcaster. How did you approach that? Um,
We have a very modular approach. That's
mm,
really the foundation of what we do. We have a unique product. That's very rare for a company to just have one product, not two, not three, just one. We sell one product, but it's all a collection of modules that we can combine together to do things in very various areas. For instance, we can do SRT gateways, encoders, transcoders, multi-viewers, recorders. All of these, we've sold a lot of them. And you can combine all those features. You can have SRT coming to your gateway and recording it, for instance. It is something that is very unique in the industry because you would normally need several appliances to do the same thing. One to do SRT, one to do the recording, one to do the multiviewer, and so on. So that's very unique. And the way we do it is by using a very modular approach, even at the development level. And we created our own open source project called UPipe, UPipe. It's open source, upipe.org. You can go check it out. It's also used by other companies in the industry. And this UPipe, of course, we do not reinvent FFmpeg. We do not reinvent X264. They're projects that exist. They're working well. But what the industry was missing mostly is the transport stream part. Transport stream is the foundation of the industry we are in because the DCTs is transport stream, satellite is transport stream, even when you do SRT contribution and so on, it's transport stream. So transport stream is the basis of what we do. And transport stream has very strong requirements, especially on constant bitrate and that kind of things. And the way you have to multiplex all the elementary streams together, it's a very complex way and very difficult way. And all these projects, FFmpeg, VLC, and so on, they do not do it compliant enough. They're compliant to some extent, but not fully compliant. And so it may work in some circumstances, but generally it doesn't. Well, let's say. So we wrote it from scratch with this open source project. UPipe is a project that is designed to work with transport stream.